Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty God. I am also well. Welcome to our online class. It's me, Ishita Nandi from Borohar School and College. Today our class is going to be held on English first paper for class 9 and 10 and our topic is pie chart. Before I start the class, you guys take your pen and paper so that you can write down the important notes. I say today our topic is pie chart and the question is, here you can see, write a paragraph describing Onyx time spent on different activities, and here is the chart. If we want to solve the chart, we have to keep in mind some important rules, and the rules are, the first one is description. The first one is description and the second one is comparison. The third one is analyzation. And the last one is opinion. So if we want to solve the pie chart, we have to describe the whole chart properly here, and then we have to compare the highest number and the lowest number given in the chart, and then we have to analyze the whole pie chart properly, and finally you can write down your opinion about this chart, which can be negative or positive, which totally depends on this chart. Now we have to start our chart. So first of all, we can see here 25% sleep, 25% school, 19% playing, 6% meals, 10% homework and 15% entertainment. Here we can see that the chart shows that Onyx spends the same percentage of his time both in school and sleep. So I will write down for you. This chart shows that Onyx spent the same percentage of his time both in sleep and school. As you can say that both school and sleep, which is 25% of his time. He spent, we can write here, he spent 25% of his time in school and sleep. And then we can say that from the chart he spent 19% of his time in playing, which is quite a long time. So we will write down he spends quite a long time in playing, which is 19%. And then we can see from the chart he spends 15% of his time in entertainment, 10% in homework and 6% in taking meals. So we will write here Onyx spent 15% of his time. 15% of his time in entertainment. 10% in homework. 10% in homework 10% in homework, and finally 6% in taking meals. 6% taking meals. As we can see, our first segment is over, which is description. We describe the all information given here and write down it properly, and then we have to go for the second segment, which is comparison. I have said it before that we have to compare the highest percentage and the lowest percentage. So the highest percent is 25% and 25%, which is all the same in sleep and school, and we can see that 6% in taking meals, which is quite a long time, quite a short time, and it is, we can say that it is the highest percentage and it is the lowest percentage. So we will write, it is seen from the chart that Onik spent the highest percentage of his time in both school and sleep, and the lowest percentage time in taking meals. We have completely successful about this segment, which is comparison, and the third one is analyzation. After analyzing the pie chart, we can say that Onik is more interested in playing and entertaining, than reading. It is seen from the chart that his percentage of time playing, which is 19%, and entertaining, which is 15%, but his homework time, which is quite low, and that is 10%. So the third round is over, and finally we have to give our opinion. Spending less time in homework, we will write spending less time in homework proves that Onik is not attentive to his study. So here our last segment is over. Spending less time in doing homework, that means Onik is not attentive to his study. I think you guys understand the whole pie chart properly, and that is all for today. Please stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.